Morning all. Saturday the 8th of February and it's very cold. So I'm having a bit of a sort out, like I said. And today it's not a Sunday sort out for all sorts of stuff. I'm going to do just job lots, cheap, to get rid of them. And today I'm going to concentrate on LT77 stuff because I no longer need it. There's no demand. I've got several gearboxes in different states, you know, scrap value really, but well, two's quite good, but one's scrap value. But down here on the bench I've put together a selection of bits. I rescued another shaft here because somebody said it was shameful to throw them out. Fork rings, gear knobs. These are brand new synchro hubs here, never been used, complete with synchros. In fact there's two of those, but they've got a bit shop sort, you know, they've got a bit damaged from damp, you know, but they'll clean up with a wire brush. That's no problem at all. I've never been on. I've got gears. I don't even know what the hell they are. There's three of them. There's a bear mark. What's that in there? Oh, it's the ring that goes on the main shaft. There's a new ring. Oh, that's another gear. That looks to me like first gear. Genuine Land Rover one. What else have I got? Various gaskets, seals and things like this, all for LT77. I don't know. Make me an offer. Is it worth $100 for the lot? Canadian? You know, I don't know. It's just stuff I've got kicking about. And these ones here, I modified this one, this gear knob. He wants to polish up, but to screw on with the lock nut underneath. There's a brand new one. It's never been used, never been fitted. Oh, no, that's a scrap one. Look, that diff lock one. That didn't work. There it's gone. There's another one that's never been fitted. They're just gathering up dust and stuff. Like I say, you can have them pretty cheap if they're any good to you. If not, it's not really worth my time putting individual items on eBay. I'll just do it as a job lot and charge a little bit more. But let me know. But first of all, before we finish, let's go and have a look at some gearboxes and stuff that I need to get rid of. My container needs a really good sort out. But here we have a box of LT77 parts. There's a main shaft there, complete, but it needs a new main shaft, but all the gears and things are there. Their shafts are all there. That's a V8 long shaft in there for a input shaft. All that lot there. I really don't know. There's gears. What's that off? That's off a disco. That's probably no good to you. That's off a disco. Selectors, bearings, gears. Oh, I don't know. There's all manner of means of things in there. But like I say, sometimes you find that little odd part is really handy to have. Yeah, I don't know. Well, I'm gonna get. I won't even get $50 for scrap. So somebody make me an offer in that area, and it's gone. There's an LT77 here that I took in part exchange, and I've never touched it because it wants a new main shaft. Turns really nice, you know. There's nothing wrong with it, but the main shaft had gone. I don't know. Scrap value, what's that scrap value? $20, $30. I've got some LT77s down here. They've been here for donkey's years, and you can see they've got a bit damp and they've got a bit sandblasty. I'll strip them down and clean them again, but somebody make me an offer on them. They've all got brand new shafts in, but you can see the wet's got through my door here, you know, like the damp, and of course sandblast, but they've never turned, they've never been fitted to the car. A strip and a clean, make me an offer.